today, let's dive into something special. Open your sketchbook, pick colors that reflect your mood right now, and let's create a beautiful, meaningful spread that's all about you. Hey, I'm Olga Banitas. Welcome to this short but powerful class. I will share with you a simple yet spectacular technique that will help you to create inspiring illustration. It is perfect for any skill level. I often use this idea to celebrate the seasons, like this summer spread I made. Today we are focusing on autumn, but feel free to adapt it for anything that resonates with you. Holidays, cozy Christmas vibes, or memories from a recent trip. Your class project is to create your own pages using this idea, your art materials, and your favorite colors. Let's get started!